Welcome to Prime Slider. In this video, we're excited to walk you through the brand new dashboard introduced in version 4. This updated panel has been rebuilt from the ground up to give you a cleaner layout, faster navigation, and a far more intuitive workflow. Everything has been thoughtfully arranged to help you set up, customize, and manage your sliders with ease. Whether you're focusing on modules, exploring new design functions, adjusting your settings, or simply getting familiar with the interface, every part of this update is designed to save time, reduce complexity, and spark your creative flow. If you're ready to see what's new, let's jump right in. Start by opening your WordPress dashboard. From there, select the Prime Slider tab located in the sidebar. The moment you click it, you'll be taken straight into the newly redesigned Prime Slider dashboard. This version introduces a total visual and structural upgrade. The interface has been reorganized to improve accuracy when navigating different areas of the plugin, and everything is positioned to feel natural from the moment you arrive. All essential features are now grouped into vertical tabs, making it easy to move through dashboard, core widgets, third-party widgets, extensions, special features, extra options, system status, other plugins, rollback version, and license without ever losing your place. Once you enter the dashboard tab, you're greeted with a friendly introductory message. This welcome section is designed to help new and returning users instantly recognize where they are and what they can do next. Directly below this welcome note, you'll see a vital button labeled Setup Prime Slider. Think of this as your gateway. It guides you through the initial configuration process, helping you quickly tailor the plugin to your site's needs. Even if you've used Prime Slider before, this setup process is helpful whenever you want to refresh your configuration or optimize your slider arrangement. Under the Setup button, you'll notice the Premium Features section. This area gives you a complete overview of the upgraded tools included with Prime Slider Pro. If you're comparing features or deciding whether an upgrade is right for you, you'll also find a comparison button that clearly highlights the differences between the free and pro versions. And if you're ready to unlock more functionality, a purchase button nearby makes it easy to upgrade, often with a limited time discount. As you continue scrolling through the dashboard, you'll reach the Feature Request panel. This section allows you to share your ideas, suggestions, or improvements directly with the development team. It's a convenient way to make your voice heard and help shape the future of Prime Slider. Just below that, you'll find a collection of valuable learning resources. These include in-depth video tutorials, detailed documentation, and a community support platform where users exchange tips, insights, and troubleshooting advice. No matter your skill level, these resources will help you master the plugin with confidence. In the top right corner of the dashboard, there's a convenient Create New Page button. With one click, you can enter a page title and move straight into the editor to begin designing. This helps keep your workflow smooth and uninterrupted. You'll also see a View Templates button nearby. This takes you to a growing library of professionally designed layouts that you can import instantly. These templates save you time while ensuring your designs stay modern, polished, and visually consistent. Just beneath these main controls, you'll find quick access links that lead to Contact Us, the Help Center, the Feature Request page, and a dedicated link for 24-hour support. These shortcuts are positioned to help you reach assistance or essential tools without leaving the dashboard or interrupting your work. Moving to the Core Widgets tab, you'll discover every essential widget that comes packaged with Prime Slider. In the top right portion of this section, you'll find two helpful action buttons labeled Activate All and Deactivate All. These are especially useful when you want to enable everything at once or quickly reduce the number of active widgets for performance testing. If you prefer more precise control, each widget has its own toggle switch beside its name. Once you've made your selections, you can finalize your changes by clicking Save Settings. The Third-Party Widgets tab includes widgets that rely on external WordPress plugins. Every widget here displays an install icon. When you click it, the associated plugin will automatically download and install in the background. Afterward, you can choose to activate or deactivate those widgets individually or collectively, depending on what your project needs. Next, you'll explore the Extensions tab. This area contains tools designed to push Elementor's core features even further. At the moment, you'll see one extension available, called Adaptive Background. It's the first of many enhancements planned for future updates, so be sure to check back as more extensions are added over time. In the Special Features tab, you'll find several standout tools designed to elevate creativity in Elementor. Among these features are Live Copy and Paste, the Duplicator, and Reveal effects. Each one opens the door to smoother workflows, rapid duplication, and eye-catching animations, helping you create richer designs without extra complexity. The Extra Options tab introduces two powerful customization tools, Custom CSS and JS, and the White Label option. The Custom CSS and JS section allows you to add site-wide styling, animation controls, or script-based functionality without relying on additional plugins. It's an excellent feature for advanced creators or developers who want deeper control over their projects. The White Label option is ideal for agencies and freelancers who manage multiple client sites. It replaces Prime Slider branding with your own, providing a fully personalized experience for your clients while keeping the interface clean and professional. The System Status tab provides a clear snapshot of your current setup. You can quickly view how many widgets are available, how many come from the core plugin, how many are from third-party sources, and which ones are currently active. Lower on the page, you'll find system requirement indicators that show whether your hosting environment meets the recommended technical specifications. This section ensures your site stays compatible and fully optimized for Prime Slider's advanced capabilities. When you open the Other Plugins tab, you'll see a curated collection of additional tools created by BdThemes. These plugins are designed to expand your creative potential and integrate beautifully with Prime Slider. Some of the highlighted tools include Element Pack Pro, Ultimate Store Kit, Pixel Gallery, Live Copy Paste, Spin Wheel, Instant Image Generator, Dark Reader, Smart Admin Assistant, and One Accessibility. For users working with the Gutenberg editor, you'll also find Zolo Blocks, a powerful block library that adds more flexibility to the WordPress block ecosystem. Inside the Rollback version tab, you'll have the option to revert Prime Slider to an earlier version if you ever need it. When an older version is available, it will appear on the right side of the screen along with a rollback button. Before reverting, remember to back up your database to protect your content and avoid losing important data. Finally, the License tab allows you to manage everything related to your Prime Slider license. You can review your activation status, license type, expiration period, and license key. If you ever need to transfer your license to another site or reset it for any reason, this is where you can deactivate it. That covers the entire experience inside the new Prime Slider version 4 dashboard. Take time to explore each tab and discover how these tools can elevate your workflow and unlock even more creative possibilities inside WordPress and Elementor. If this video helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials and tips. And don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss a new feature update. Thanks for watching.